第一位嚟自美國嘅教宗喺梵蒂岡呢度，以佢嘅判斷力聞名。佢負責管理聖座其中一個主要聖部，向教宗提出未來主教人選，即係天主教會未來嘅聖統。佢好少接受訪問，對公共干預總係好克制。好似呢一次罕有嘅場面，佢發表咗一項聲明，呢個係介紹一部有關瑞士衛隊嘅紀錄片。現在佢哋要擔當起保護佢嘅責任。
Well, personally, I've only been working in the Vatican for about a year and a half. I have great appreciation for their respect, for the formation they receive, for what their presence, especially as the guard of the Holy Father, which gives great, if you will, security on many levels. Again, once again, from the tradition as well as from their presence in every moment, the Pope's travels, the Pope's residence, the Pope's movement.
教宗良14世生於芝加哥，父母有歐洲血統。佢係一位奧斯定會會士，1977年進初學，曾任呢個會嘅長上。
God is not someone or something that is far away, and Augustine, in his spirituality and in his struggles, in his reflections that we see, for example, in the Confessions, is able to open a window, if you will, and to lead others to come to discover how God is working in their lives.
佢擁有教會法博士學位，但最重要嘅係佢係一位傳教士。佢喺秘魯曾經擔任主教一職。佢喺問候信友嘅時候，以西班牙語憶起佢嘅主教歲月。
Y se me permiten también una palabra, un saludo a todos aquellos y en modo particular a mi querida diócesis de Chiclayo en el Perú。
呢位史上第一位嚟自北美洲嘅教宗，現年69歲，具有豐富嘅傳教經驗，亦都係一位極度熟悉梵蒂岡運作嘅人。